they specialize in continental and oriental dishes. I'm going to be tasting their lasagna, burger and noodles today. So let us see how it goes. So this burger looks really good. You can see the poached egg. And this has 2 layers of chicken. Mayo. I'm going to like cover it. Okay, this is huge now. How will this go? Okay, I'll try to take as much as possible in my mouth. Okay, the poached egg has smashed. It's a disaster. The burger, it's very delicious. I think the egg is going perfectly with the rest of the elements. The bun is well cooked, like it's not that hard or soft, no, it's just perfect. Then it has got your cabbage, cucumber, onions and tomatoes, and there is 2 layers of chicken. I took the bite actually. So these are the 2 layers of chicken, and then there is mayo, and it's very good. It's very delicious. I think it's very super duper good, and it's served with fries. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this barbecue pork noodles is looking very good. The pork, it has been grilled and it's glistening right now. I'm going to have it. Oh my god. It has even got pork inside. So yeah, let me taste it. I think it is good, but yeah, it is good. Yeah, but little bit maybe they could uplift the flavor. It's kind of sweet and has a hint of tangy flavor. I don't know. That is maybe the problem. And otherwise, I think it is good. The pork. Chicken lasagna. It's got beans, carrots, chicken. Oh wow, wow, wow. Look at the cheese. So cheesy. I love cheesy. It's cheesy, it's got the creamy sauce, it's got all the veggies, it's got all the flavors. It is amazing. And this is so much. This is going to leave me full, I'm so sure. Like this looks very good and it tastes very good. I'm loving it. So starting with the double layer chicken burger. So it was very good. So it had minced meat patty, which had all the flavors in it. The bun crust was also very good. The egg was complementing it perfectly. So it cost 199 rupees. So I think it was very good, like perfect for one person. It's very filling. So then I had the barbecue pork noodles. So yeah, so it had a lot of pork in it. So unlike many noodles that you get where they put very less pork, but the pork, it had a lot of pork and it was very good. The pork was very delicious there. I think it was spicy too. So like if you come here to Delhi, please let them know first your spice level. But otherwise, yeah, the spice was very good for me. I think it was very flavorful, so it was very good. Then I had the lasagna, the chicken lasagna. So the chicken lasagna, obviously, it was filled with cheese, cream, and all the veggies and chicken. Oh god, it was so good. So it melts in your mouth. So that was very delicious lasagna. I love lasagna. I love anything that is cheesy. So the lasagna that cost 219 rupees. So that is also very filling. So I think it was very good. So then the burger, I think I will give it like 4.5 star. Then the barbecue pork noodles. So yeah, that is 149, and I think I will give it like 4 star. And then the lasagna. So the lasagna also will be like 4 star. So overall it's very good. So this is the menu, and they have many veg and non-veg starter items, the noodles, there is main course. They have a lot of stuff in here. They have sandwiches, burgers, and I think the prices are quite reasonable. So there are many colleges and schools around here, so it's perfect for the students. So it's located at Ambari, near Dikolipur area. I'll write the address in the description below. You can check it out. So I think, yeah, I love the prices, and the food is very good. It doesn't get short of anything, so it's just perfect. So yeah, overall I love this place. Do visit sometime. Bye.